Well, welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and a little lesson for you with this set that we learnt the hard way. We quite often buy china over long periods of time, and there can be big gaps in between when we purchase it. Very simple and easy to look at a listing and think, oh well, that's already listed, I just need to pop it back in stock. But these sets are made by Royal Stafford. The pattern is called Blossom Time. Now, Royal Stafford's a china factory that's still in production, and as a consequence, there's not much independent old history available regarding their production and china marks. But these are different, and let me show you why. Teacup on the side, same shape, same dimensions. Well, I say same shape, there is a little variation on this. If you have a look at this one, we've got quite a marked pedestal foot here with this little line around the base. Compare that to its counterpart. You see the way the pedestal base doesn't flare on the one on the left, just goes straight down, and the china marks are different. Both Royal Stafford. The one on the left is the earlier piece with the orb and crown marks, and the later Royal Stafford in sort of block with the bone china made in England is the current mark that they're using. So these are earlier. They're also not only slightly different in shape, but they're a different size. This one, the later piece, is just under 3.25 inch. I call that in millimetres 82. Whereas this one here, plain rim again, but just over 3.25, around 86 millimetre diameter. Height-wise, I think they're just about, no, look, difference in height. Again, this one about 2 millimetres taller. So they don't really make the set of 6 which we'd sold to a customer as a matching set, and this is, you know, a very subtle difference. But when they're in a set like this, obviously you want a full matching set and not a mixed harlequin set from different ages. So the lesson for you here is, do not only check your listings very carefully in terms of the sizes, but also look at the pottery marks and try and match, if you are buying sets that have identical pottery marks from the same range period of production. And by doing so, you can more or less guarantee that you're going to find a piece that is the same shape, same size, and with the same pottery marks on, which will mix into your existing set very nice and easily and not stand out as a slightly odd looking shape or size. Hope that's helpful to you. We're going to relist these now as a set of 3 with this china mark, a set of 3 with this china mark, and we're going to look around, see if we can find some additional late piece teacups to try and make up the full set of 6 that our customer wanted. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.